Passing an object through another solid object is a staple in most magic performances. You might have seen magicians push a Sharpie or pull a silk handkerchief through a mirror. Vintage and expensive versions of this can cost hundreds of dollars. This one is $60 US. In this video, we will be taking a look at Anything Through Mirror by Ting Ting and TCC Magic. So is this good or is this just affordable? Here is what you will receive. It comes in this cardboard box. The link to the tutorial video is under the lid. Inside the box, you get the mirror. There is a triangle support thing in the middle. You get this little screen that attaches magnetically to the triangle support. So the anything in the Anything Through Mirror has to fit through this little hole. Lastly, you get a very nice walnut stand. When you first get the mirror, it has a protective film on top. The mirror measures 18 centimeters by 18 centimeters. Here is a quick performance. The tutorial you receive is 18 minutes long. Like most TCC tutorials, it seems to use AI to dub it into English. But I have no problems understanding. The tutorial goes through everything you need to know on how to operate and perform the effect. The moves you need to perform the effect are not physically hard, but you will need to practice. This is not really a self-working prop, and you will need to practice to get the moves down smoothly. The stand you receive is actually quite nice. According to the ad copy, it is walnut. The mirror you get is plastic, so there is no worry about it breaking. However, it scratches quite easily. You can see the fine scratches under the light, and this is just from sliding the mirror in and out of the stand. But for performance purposes on stage or parlor, this will not be noticeable. Also, it's quite a tight fit on the stand, and you can see the velvet here is coming off, where it slides into the stand. For setup, reset and angles, there is no setup, and the prop resets itself during the performance. Angles wise, you will need your audience in front of you. Therefore, it is best performed on stage. Also note that you can't immediately remove the screen once the solid object passes through the mirror. You will need to show the back, then flip it again, then only remove the screen. In my opinion, this is best not used as a standalone effect, but as part of a larger illusion. You can pass a silk streamer through the mirror and then proceed to pass yourself through a steel plate or something. Or just before you pass through a giant mirror yourself. The Anything Through Mirror is $60 and you can get it at TCC Magic or your favorite Murphy's Magic dealer. You can use my affiliate code below for 15% off your TCC order, and it also helps the channel out. Although this is something that I do not have a use for at the moment, it does make a good alternative to the more expensive versions out there. If you can see yourself performing this, and if you can accept the plastic mirror quality and the limitations, it does work as advertised. Although you will need some practice to get it down smoothly. I would like to thank TCC Magic for sending this out to me so that I can show it to you. Thank you for watching. Here are some other reviews for you to watch next. Subscribe if you haven't already. More reviews coming up soon, and I will see you in the next video.